What's the meaning of COR? COR. COR.
COR. COR. COR is a common abbreviation that can refer to several different things depending on the context. In finance, it is short for correlation coefficient, which measures the relationship between two variables. In medicine, it can refer to coronary artery disease, a condition that affects the heart's blood vessels. In linguistics, it can be short for correlative, which describes words that function in pairs to convey relationships between ideas. Without more context, it is difficult to determine which meaning of COR is intended.